next command here that you can see it is the copy, and we use them usually when we have one element repeated in a couple of points in our drawing. So we can draw one of them and then we copy it in the location that we want to copy that drawing. So for example, let me clean this. Assume I have a rectangle here, and then I need two copies of that to be on the right side of that. So if I go here there and click on the copy, it will ask me select the object you want to copy. So I will go ahead and says, okay, this is the object I want to copy, and then press enter. And so basically you choose that, and then again the same like the move is as says that select the base point. So it's going to be the base point. Again, I choose the lower left corner here. The difference between this one and the move is that it's going to move the object respect to that point, but this one is going to copy the object respect to that point. So now I can move it to the to the right and say, okay, I want to be 60 millimeter to the right, and enter that. So it's going to copy one here. So I can, if I want to move it, I can move one more, and this time enter, for example, 120, and press enter. And it's going to do it for me as long as I keep doing it. Or simply I can click the point that I want to be copied there. So I can click it here, click it here, click here. So as long as I keep doing that, it will copy, and whenever I'm done with the copying, I just press enter. And as similar to other ones, you can also do it with the multiple object if you want. For example, if I go back, assume I have also a line here, and then I want to copy these two together. So I can go ahead and again select the copy, and it says select the object. So I can select this object and select this object, press enter, again choose the base point, and now if I copy it anywhere, then copy the both of them. So I can copy them, for example, here, and then press enter. So it copy both of them. It can be really helpful tools when we are drawing, because usually we will have an element that we are using it in different part of our drawing. So we can just draw one of them and then we copy that one in location that we want.